this as the Triumph Street Triple. So think of this as a lesser version of the RS, so you don't get the single-sided swing arm. This is going to give you better fuel economy. It's lighter than the RS. It's more affordable than the RS. And you do get some nice forks here. I believe they are either Showa or Michelinis. It's difficult to tell. You do get massive Brembos, so you got a lot of stopping power. LED headlights, LED indicators, and an LED rear cluster. Triple engine, so you've got quite a bit of power, quite a bit of torque from this engine. I'd say less than 170 horsepower, but fuel injected, computer controlled, so very reliable, and you do get a quick shifter, so it is a fast naked bike. But yeah, no wind protection, so you are going to get a lot of buffeting on something like this, a lot of buffeting. It's a 765, so but you do get an Olin, looks like, yeah, Olin's rear shock. So you get a really nice shock, a nice looking swing arm, and paint finish, very good. I can't knock the paint finish, it actually is pretty good. TFT, I would say that's a pretty good size, to be honest. That's a decent, generous size. And controls, don't get much in the way of controls. So you have your starter, your kill switch, your home button, different modes to choose from, dip beam, main beam, that's pretty much it. But it looks good, and it's a way of getting you into a naked Triumph bike. So, something to consider. But, very different.